Quality can be defined as a totality of features and characteristics of an entity that bear on its ability to satisfy the stated of implement needs. ISO 9000 2000, where any entity can be a product, a component, a service, or a process. The need for quality management derives from its production at the beginning of the 20th century. Quality management has developed from production-related quality control to company-related totally quality management, aiming for continuous process improvement. The type of research to be used will be descriptive research, related to impact, given that occurs through the manipulation of an experimental variable not proven in a strictly controlled condition, in order to describe how or for what cause occurs a particular situation or event, as it is to know the why of the disinterest of the auditors of quality of this company and find a solution to determine of the productivity of these auditors. This research will find the root problem of the disinterest of the MWT's quality of the GM company. It will be known whether the problem originates in the selection of auditors by the Media Controls LWG, leader of working group, of the Department of the Quality, or lack of leadership and or address on the part of the LW's leader of work quality. Audit is a systematic and independent assessment to determine whether the activities of quality and results related to these activities comply with the planned arrangements, and whether such arrangements are implemented effectively and are adequate to achieve the objectives. One of the purposes of this quality audit is to assess the needs for improvement or corrective actions. A quality audit shouldn't be confused with a monitoring or inspection activities with the purpose to gain control of the process or the acceptance of the product. Quality audits can be conducted for internal or external purposes. The auditor's role is to examine whether the department is reaching currently in the GM complex law, specifically in the plan, have been giving constant red alerts or red flags with the work quality standards. It has lacked in the trainings to the auditors. The lack of enthusiasm of the members to quality is affecting the performance of the same causes the audits don't have cases of real means of support in the plans of control or definitely overlook the parameters of the plan of control. In the investigation, it has been detected that coupled with a lack of courses and updates is loosely leadership on the part of the controls of the media department. The MWTs are missing to the task activities and procedures pilots should know, which are understanding the quality policy, make sure of shared point to locate work instructions applicable and formats to use the quality records, identify in the realization of your process who is your supplier and your customer, as well as how they relate to other areas of matching and or support, fulfill the control plan, like frequencies of verification, knowledge and use plan, etc. Identify the in-process product, scrap in quarantine, etc. And finally, securing the back of corresponding software.